Right, welcome back to another video. I got Darryl with me from Tekwrap. We had a customer request, he wanted his new Tesla wrapped in a funky colour. So yeah, over to you. What have we done?
So yeah, obviously Darryl, we've worked with Darryl a lot in the past. He's got us in to do a full wrap on this. So it's gone in Tekwrap Siomna green, which is a high gloss colour, so it looks pretty good. Nice good materials, nice to work with, super glossy. One of the best finishes out there now for material at the moment, which is really cool. So yeah, customer wanted all the door shuts and everything wrapped, so it wasn't just the outside, because it was white originally. He wanted to do all the door shuts and everything, so we've done that. Yeah, nice, happy with the job. Hopefully the customer's happy too.
Yeah, I think the customer will be. Once, well yeah, like Darryl said, he's done all the door shuts and that. I'll put a close up in of that in a minute. Once, well, he's not picking up for a little while, but once obviously they're sort of settled and ready to go, then I'm going to put a waxed dead 5-year coating on there. Yeah, and it'll be ready for the road, and hopefully I'll have a happy customer. Yeah, I think it looks mint, looks really nice. We'll get some good shots of it and I'll put them in. If you've got any questions or anything, leave a message, Darryl Tekwrap. Check out our YouTube channel as well, because you see like all these little cool things like door handles and bowls. Then they come out finished, just all the little bits. They're also doing a Wrap Academy soon, is that right?
Yeah, so look out for that. Going to be cool with the Vinyl Academy. We'll start very soon,
Yeah.
Should be really good.
Yeah, so if you want to learn how to do it yourself, give them a shout. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah, anyway, thanks Darryl. Yeah, we'll do it again.
Good job.